Welcome to Cementech Service Plus. After the control panel has been powered on and the computer has finished loading in, the home screen will appear. On the home screen, there are 6 categories to choose from: Edit Mix Designs, Calibration, Maintenance, Ticket History, Pour Concrete, and Equipment Parameters. Choosing Edit Mix Designs will take you to where you will input or edit your concrete mix designs. You have the option to create a new mix design or to edit a mix design that has already been entered. To exit a screen at any time, you can press the back button to go back one page or the home button to go back to the home page. The next button on the home page is Calibration. This is where you will calibrate your aggregates, cement, water, admixtures, color, and fiber. Calibrations must be completed before mix designs may be entered. Below the calibration button is the Maintenance button. This is where you can view things such as hydraulic pressure gauges for the mixer, conveyor belt, and the hoist and swivel. By pressing any of these gauges, it will open to a real-time graph of current pressures. You will also find what your current software version is, along with the serial numbers and the current firmware being used. Below that, operational hour counters are displayed for reference. Moving over to the right side of the home page is the Ticket History button. This is where you will go if you need to find an old ticket and reprint it. You start by choosing the year, the month, and then the day. From there, it will show you all the tickets from that day. Simply choose the ticket you would like to view, and you can print it or send it through AccuPour if the unit is equipped with AccuPour software. Below the Ticket History button is the Pour Concrete button. This will be the most used button that the operator will use daily. Pressing this button will take you to the pour screen. You will start a pour ticket here, enter which mix design you would like to use, and will be able to go to manual operations to adjust any of the settings. The last button on the home page is Equipment Parameters. There will be a multitude of options here that can be selected and adjusted. Time and date can be adjusted here, vibrator and oiler times can be changed, passwords can be added to any of the screens to keep unauthorized users from changing settings. You can change the units of measurement between metric and standard, as well as change from English to Spanish. You can back up or restore parameter files. If the unit is equipped with auto gates, they can be calibrated here. This is where you will set up the information that you want printed on the pour ticket, such as your company name, phone number, etc. Auto wash settings can be adjusted here. If your unit is equipped, you can add AccuPour Touch information such as a unit serial number. Unit options will allow you to choose certain things to be printed or hidden on the ticket. Flow tolerances is how the system monitors the component flow rates during a pour. The unit will automatically shut down if it falls outside the preset range if it is turned on. File management is where you will be able to save all your files to an external drive through the USB port on the side of the control panel. The saved files like calibrations, mix designs, and equipment parameters can be reinstalled if files were lost on the computer. The last option under the Equipment Parameters button is Unit Configuration. This may only be accessed by a Cementech technician or a certified Cementech dealer technician. This contains multiple factory settings that only a trained technician should adjust. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact Cementech at 1-800-247-2464, Cementech Connect, or via email at service@cementech.com.